Has been very positive. If you remember in Q4, Jet Airways had reported the fourth straight quarter of profitability. So it's better to compare it quarter on quarter because you'll get a sense of whether the trend is improving. Now, I expect a revenue growth of 6% quarter on quarter at 5,567 odd crores. The EBITDA could grow by about 10% or so. And the profits, though, could be under a bit of pressure, but largely around that 300 to 350 crore level itself. Now, as I said, the earnings trend has been positive. Also, passenger traffic growth has been very strong this quarter at 23%. But the only problem is that the margins could come under pressure sequentially, something that we saw in Interglobe Aviation's numbers. That's because there's been a lot of competition in the domestic market because of lower pricing, and that has put pressure on yields. However, for Jet Airways, Jet has 60% of its revenues from the international market, and there's not so much competition there. So maybe the pressure on yields could not be as much as some of these domestic players like Interglobe Aviation. Also, ATF prices have risen quarter on quarter, so that could hit margins. ATF prices are up 15% quarter on quarter at close to 44,000 rupees per kiloliter. So, that's something that perhaps you need to watch out for. But from the mid-caps,